Both prosecution and defense have submitted lengthy motions, more than 170 in total, nitpicking details from internet data and DNA analysis to eyewitness testimony and crime scene photographs. The judge also weighing arguments on whether a 911 call made several hours after the killings and text between housemates that morning will be admissible as evidence. Some of the filings in contention, whether a surviving roommate can tell them about spotting a masked intruder with what she said were, quote, bushy eyebrows, or whether or not jurors can be told that Kohberger allegedly bought a knife and sheath on the internet.
I think it's appropriate to highlight those issues that everybody should be cognizant of. It's in fashioning an order that has any real meaning. All right, let's talk about alibis.
But nobody else should be asked to testify about specific places where the defendant has been, because we can't respond to that at this point, and to our knowledge, there's nobody else who can say the defendant was at a specific other place.
Early on in the hearing, deliberations surrounding whether or not body camera footage from a traffic stop that occurred before the murders could be admitted, with the defense arguing that it could be prejudicial due to the car that Kohberger's driving in the video matching the description of the suspect's vehicle. Then later, how Kohberger's autism diagnosis will be treated in the case, the judge saying it could not be used as an aggravating factor in arguments against Kohberger, and on if he should receive the death penalty if convicted, Hippler telling the defense similarly that it shouldn't use the diagnosis in asking for leniency. The hearing could carry over into Thursday as several filings await ruling from Judge Hippler. Kohberger, a former PhD student in criminology, pleaded not guilty. His case is scheduled to start with jury selection in late July and run through the fall. In studio, I'm Dakota Castett's DJ reporting.